Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make these DIY crystal frames. As usual, we will first start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need some frames. So they have a huge selection of frames at the Dollar Tree, all different sizes and colors. This one does have a mat inside, so that's why I chose this one. You will need some crystals. I will list down below the link to where I got these. I was going to use hot glue, but I changed my mind and ended up using E6000 glue. So the first thing you're going to do is take apart the frame, and I just took a plain piece of white paper, folded it in half, and I traced the inside part of the frame and just cut that out, and that's what I used inside of the frame so that it would give the white background. I repeated that for all three frames, and I folded the paper in half because just using one piece of the paper was kind of see-through, so I folded it in half so it was two pieces. These crystals are used for necklaces, so I went ahead and took off the little rings on either side. I just used a pair of pliers and I just pulled it right out, and this is how it looks once you take out the two sides. And now I'm going to lay the crystals out, kind of see how I want them to lie on the frames, and then I just took my E6000 glue and added the glue on the back of the crystal, and I just like to use my finger to rub it all around, and then you just want to stick it right onto the frame. And I just used a Q-tip to clean up the glue, and I let it dry overnight before hanging it up on the wall. So this is how it looks once I finished. It was a super easy and inexpensive DIY to make, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.